What is Forex Alert Robot? One of the concerns of traders is not to lose the target price. So I made a free robot that has no restrictions on currencies, which means that all of the currencies that are available in Forex Broker are available in this robot. The remarkable thing about this robot is that you can create unlimited alerts for yourself. And in this video, I want to show you how to use this efficient robot. Tab on Start. We have Set Alert, Delete Alert and Show Alert options. Tab on Set Alert to set your alert easily. Then enter the symbol you want and send it. Enter the price you want the robot to alert you and send it. And then tab on Yes to confirm. To show your alert, you just need to tab on Show Alerts. To delete your alert, tab on Delete Alert and enter the alert's number that you want to delete, and at the end tab on Yes to confirm. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.